We're going to switch gears a little bit. I know a few of you have been wondering, like, how do I know when to just give the list of all the potential zeros? When am I actually supposed to find the zeros? Honestly, the biggest thing that's going to tell you is the instructions. Find all zeros. So what do? We solve this thing all the way. And so the first thing that I like to check for just to put me on the right track is how many solutions are there going to be? Well, I know there's an x cubed, so that tells me by fundamental theorem of algebra that I'm going to have 3 solutions. The next thing, we could actually do, make the list and do it that way for every single problem. That'd be totally fine. I like to check to see if it factors just because it's faster for me and I like to factor. So if I'm just looking at the right side, I'd probably get like a 2x minus 5, taking out all the x's. The right side, if I take out 4, hey, what do you know? This factors. So I have x squared times 2x minus 5. And the right side is positive 4. I get 2x minus 5. What a blessed day for us. Okay, if I factor out 2x minus 5, I'd be left with x squared plus 4. Okay. So I know this one should be a positive 5 over 2. And this one, if you know factoring well, then you could technically do a difference of squares by changing this to be, we're not even going to go that way. Here's what I would suggest doing. If you're not sure what it is, I want you to set it equal to 0. And then I want you to solve it. So x squared equals negative 4. And now we're going to square root. Anytime I take a square root, you better have that plus or minus in there. And now if it's square root of negative 4. And outside of that, we can just do square root of 4 normally. So it's 2, but because of the negative, I'm going to have an I. So that makes my solutions are 5 halves, 2i, and negative 2i. And there we go, I have the 3 solutions to match my degree.